Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can receive a Bitcoin on PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you gotta do is simply open up your PayPal on your phone and now go ahead, tap on this finances option from the bottom left. Once you have done that, you're gonna see this kind of interface in the finances section. All you gotta do is simply switch to the crypto from your balance. Upon doing that, you can see available value on top. You can see we have $9.24, and you can see total again in the bottom section how much of worth we have Bitcoin available. So we want to receive Bitcoin, right? So we're going to tap on this Bitcoin option, and once we have done that, we're going to see our Bitcoin value on top, and now in the bottom section your available value, your Bitcoin gain, etc is given in the bottom. You simply have to tap on this two arrows which is going on the different opposite directions. Go ahead, tap on that little icon beside the sale. Now that will unlock this option of send and receive for the more crypto actions. Go ahead, tap on this receive option, and then you can see let's get some info before you receive crypto, and now tap on this option of get started, and you will also get the overview regarding how you do it and how it works, etc. You can choose to scroll a bit and read it accordingly, otherwise tap on OK, and now you will find your little icon. All you got a little QR scan. All you gotta do is simply copy or directly tap on share this to the contact number who wants to send you the Bitcoin, and simply share them. They will scan it and you're good to go. You will be able to receive Bitcoin on your PayPal likewise. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.